Hi, this is Karen with WTI. When it comes down to makeup, I really love options, and this Kat Von D Locket Makeup Foundation gives me that option of a full coverage, a truly full coverage makeup foundation. And stay with me, I know it looks ludicrous, but this is just a concealer to cover my blue under eyes. And this full coverage makeup foundation really covers any blemishes that I may have, or or some of my freckles, or some discoloration in my skin. As you can see, I'm done with half of my face, and you can see the difference. It's just fully covers and all the imperfections on the other side. And the difference is day and night. And that's why I love this makeup foundation, because I can just put it under any powder that I may use, probably my contouring or just my setting powder. And that's my point of view.